All right, what is going on, everybody? I am back. I'm back, and this stream, I would like to use this stream to. It's been a couple months since I did this learning Japanese, continuing my learning Japanese series. Main reason for that is because I actually have been spending time trying to actually learn the hiragana. Like, the hiragana is extremely hard. Like, you have to actually like memorize a whole new character set. So what I've been doing is I've been trying to write out the alphabet every day, at least once a day, just so I can like, and the more I write it out, like I can actually, I don't know what these are, but I recognize them now because I've written them. But I ain't gonna lie, I only did that for about 2 weeks and then I stopped. So I got to actually get back on it. But for this video, this is lesson 9 of freejapaneselessons.com. We just gonna read through it real quick, go through it and learn how to, learn the adjective and adverbs of Japanese. Okay, so here we go. Adjective and adverbs. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to get this right. Okay. There are two different types of Japanese words that can be used to modify nouns. Adjectives and verbs. Oh, sorry. There are two different types of Japanese words that can be used to modify nouns, which are adjectives, and verbs, which are adverbs. One group is much like what we would call an objective, but they can also be conjugated to modify verbs as well. We will refer to these as DV for the descriptive verb. These are often referred to as true adjectives or I adjectives. The other group can, in most cases, stand alone like a noun, but can also be used to modify nouns and verbs. We will refer to these as DN for descriptive noun. These are often referred to as quasi-adjectives or not adjectives. All adjectives in the DV group will always end with this character right here, which is A, E, I, O, U. Wait, A, E, I, U. Oh, that's E. Because the I sound in Japanese is E, which is not the E in English. It's like eh, like that. It's kind of like an A, but it's like eh. Alright, so no exceptions. These are placed in front of a noun in order to modify it. For example, alright, so here we go. Some examples. Here goes the kanji right here. I haven't learned the kanji yet. I have mainly just been focusing on the hiragana because that's what came first in lesson 1. So I don't know these characters right here except for this right here, which is eh. This little swirly with a line right here. These are the two ones. I don't know what the fuck that is right there. Here goes the hiragana. I know pretty much all these characters right here. I've written them. Alright, and here goes the romanji. So in English, I guess it's pronounced akai kumura. And here goes the English meaning, which means red car. So here we go. These adjectives can be conjugated to form different tenses, turned into adverbs, modify verbs, etc. The conjugation rules for true Japanese adjectives are as follows. So here we go, right here. Here goes the hiragana. Drop the I, then add a whatever that is. So it's drop the I and add a ku. Alright. And here goes the English meaning. Modifies a verb, adjective verb. I'm sorry. Modifies modifies a verb adverb form. Kaku nata became red. Naru is the verb to become. Drop the then add a I don't know what that means. Here goes the Romanji right here. Drop the and add a kunai. So I guess this right here is kunai. And anybody that watches Naruto, y'all know that Naruto, a kunai is like a knife that you throw at people and they fuck motherfuckers up. But anyway, so drop the and add a kunai. Past tense negative. Oh, sorry. Here goes the English meaning. Past tense negative. Unai. Unai is not read. Becomes a new DV. And we read earlier that DV stands for descriptive verb. Yeah. Oops. I went down too far. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Here goes another one. Here goes the hiragana version. And here goes the romanji. So drop the and then add kanakata. Kanakata. So it's drop the I, then add a ku. Drop the then add a kunai. Drop the then add a kata. Then drop the and add kanakata. Kanakata. Okay, there we go. And here goes the English meaning. Past tense negative. Kanakata was not read. This one might take a little practice saying. Okay. Kanakata. 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 I think it's kanakata. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. You know what? This is how we gonna check to see if I'm saying it right or not. Cause we just gonna go to Google Translate real quick. Yeah, there we go. And you could just type it in there and Google will tell you how to properly pronounce it to an extent. Let's go. Okay. All right, there it goes. So I just want to, let's do this. Oh no, it fucked some shit up. See, that's not what I originally wrote. Sometimes Google Translate be wrong. Let's just try this again. Okay. No, I need to make this Japanese. There we go. Oh no, what the fuck is Shana? Why ain't that shit on English? That's some crazy. No, that's Japanese, boy. I don't know, so I guess Google Translate is tweaking right now. Okay, there we go. Here we go, let's hear it. I gotta turn it up.
赤くなかった。赤くなかった。赤くなかった。赤くなかった。赤くなかった。赤くなかった。
Okay. Alright, so I got it. So it's akatunakata. Akatunakata. There we go. Okay, we spent all that time just to learn how to pronounce one word. Let's finish this lesson up. It's not easy to recognize DN, which is descriptive noun, adjectives, but I will point them out in the vocabulary list. Sometimes you'll even find a DN, descriptive noun, that ends in E. Example, ki, ke, kere I guess kere is pretty. So I gotta remember that, because if I go to Japan and if I see a fine ass female, I'll be like, hey kere, you know, or some shit. As mentioned before, these words can, in most cases, be used by themselves like a noun. Example, shizen, which means nature. By adding a ne to the end of these words, they can be used to modify a noun. Example, shizen na, kanaku, a natural environment. And by then adding a ne to the end of these words, they can be used to modify a verb as an adverb. Example, shizen ne akuru, to walk naturally. Here's a list of some commonly used DV, which is descriptive verbs, and DN, which is descriptive noun adjectives. All right. Here goes the kanji. As y'all can see, there goes all the kanji characters. I don't know the kanji yet, but here goes the hiragana. I don't know the hiragana, but I recognize the hiragana. Everything I see right here, I have written. So it makes it easier to remember. Here goes the romanji, and here goes the English meaning. So we'll just look at the romanji because I can pronounce romanji. And here goes the English meaning. All right, here we go. Akai, which means red. Kiro, Kiruo, Kirui, which means yellow. So Akai is red, Kirui is yellow. Eui, which is blue. Eui. Kurui, which is black. Kurui, black. Shirui, which is white. Shirui, white. Umu shiui. Umu shiui, which it means interesting or funny. Atsui, which means hot. Samui, Samui, which means cold. Oki, big. Chisai, small. Shienzin, nature. Kiri, Kerie, pretty, clean. Kerie. Alright, here we go. Shitsuri, rude. Shizaka, quiet. Tobugetsu, special. Genki, in good spirits. Hin, weird, strange. Jozun, skillful. Shiensetsu, kind, nice. Sukete, cool, good looking. Alright, so there we go. That's lesson 9 of learning how to do this Japanese. I'm just gonna hurry up and I'm gonna finish up the lessons in the upcoming days. I think we only got one more lesson. So alright, so let me know what you think, please. Like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. I really appreciate it. I am out.